Hi everyone, my name is Mandeep and I'm going to represent Sprint 2. As a project manager, I'm going to start with the project introduction, identification of problems, design the sprint backlog, and frame the survey questionnaires. As an individual components, I'm going to represent the my contribution in sprint 2 as listed below, like project introduction, statement problems, sprint backlog, and framed survey questionnaires. Here we start with the introduction. Like latest technologies, most of latest technologies are based on blockchain, which can used in education sector for keeping the records of students, bulk of data like books, admissions, and their grades. These record keeping data are mainly electronic and they are managed well structured and centralized software. Major applications of blockchain including the student records that are keep all related to data in electronic storage that can be accessed by all parties, certificates, and generated and stored on system. Also, blockchain technology are used to provide security to the data which is stored. Here are some problem statements, like the entire workload come on administration department, and there is no security provided to the students, no payment transaction systems, like we have to keep the records of the transaction to the universities and the college campus, and the students are not aware of upgraded regarding their grades. The next is sprint backlogs, like as a manager, I have to design the university protocol and a portal of the students which add the facility by the interface, and many more requirements as shown in this sprint requirements. And we also gone through this time, we also go through the survey questionnaires. Here are the question in front of you which are included in a survey, and we uploaded on the monkeysurvey.com. Beside this, we all our teammates and me, we go through the problems in blockchain in education which need to solve, like manipulating risk, record handling, verification, digital aspects, and security breach. The main problem I focused on is the transfer of digital assets, like as a Byzantine generous problem. I focused on that, which is solved as a proof of work consensus algorithm. Here the central bank determines the order of transaction is replaced with the authenticity of the transaction, in which the we when we enter the data or the record, it requires to enter or attach with the previous data so that it will make a chain and the data is stored. Moreover, we focused on the central blockchain and decentral blockchain. Central blockchain is used by like Facebook, Amazon, Google, which finding the way to monetize data inhabit the way user may not be aware of, which using the popular free online services make think themselves as a customer as they using the services or the product. But on the other side, the information that a user given to the online is being sold. In a decentralized blockchain, there are the power of authentication and authority is at various level. It is open and free flow of communication and slow decision making process. And